Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to look at Monument Mining. They released financials for the quarter ended March. Stock has been doing well. It's actually doubled and I think it will continue rising. The production numbers I already put in here. So last quarter was indeed down from the previous quarters. So they had some problems in production. Let's go over those problems. The first problem was less ore processed. So this is the last quarter of last year, and here we had higher tonnage, and the tonnage has gone down by 15%, and that's due to less ore being processed. So they had more waste to remove, and that's why this tonnage has gone down. Of course, this will eventually go back up when they reach the ore body, and then the capacity is still somewhere here. So there's still a lot of capacity that they can get back. If they get back to 100% capacity, then production will of course go back up. So this is a temporary dip, I think, and this will go back up based on the tonnage. Based on the grades, we see that the grades were slightly down, 3%. Now their resources estimates are around 2 to 1.7 grams per ton. So once they get to the ore body, this should also start rising. We haven't seen it yet, but let's see in the future if they can get it back up. And with these lower grades, we of course also have lower recoveries. It's not that bad, 69. So it's around the same as the last quarter. So once these grades go back up, then I expect recoveries to move to the 80% level. So a lot of optimization that is possible still to get this production back up. So yes, this quarter was not that good, but when these parameters go back up, then I think they can reach the 30,000, 35,000 ounce per year level. Currently at 21,000 run rate. So this needs to improve. Only sustaining costs, of course, up when the production goes down. And yeah, these are the numbers. Now, from the earnings perspective, I just have this nice chart. This is the net liquidity chart. So current assets minus liabilities. And you can see that in the last quarter, it is moving higher. So this company is still making money, even with these production problems. This company is still cash flow positive. Okay, so that's very good to see. What's the PE ratio? Let's go over that as well. So what's the situation here? I think they can still get to the 30,000 for this year. That should be possible. But let's see what the PE ratio is currently. When we take 21,000 run rate, all-in sustaining cost was 1,270, gold price 2,350, and this is the capex for Biox. But if we don't use that 1 million, then we have, look at this, EV to free cash flow of 3.5. So it's still cheap. It's profitable at the current gold price. and it's making money. EV to free cash flow of 3.5 is pretty good. So if we play around with the gold price, let's say 2,500 this year, PE of 3, and this is actually without Murchison added. So this is only the producing Selinsing mine. Let's say 2,700, that's also possible. EV to free cash flow of 2.5. So these are very good numbers. If they can get back to the 30,000 level production, then we get PE of 2 at 2,500 gold. So just playing with the numbers, 35,000 is also possible. So PE below 2. At Murchison, and you have a PE of probably 1. Okay, so this is very cheap. I can show you that they probably can go back to the 30,000, 35,000. So this is the current recovery. Let's say it goes to 75%. Grade going back up to 1.7. They did have good grades previously. So if they can get these grades back up, you can see high grades at depth. And the tonnage was down. So if the tonnage can go back to 65,000, that's possible. Then this will be the production based on this calculation. Okay. So this is the quarterly production that's possible. If you do this times 4, then you get the 30,000, maybe 35,000 level. So if we take 35,000 at these costs, this is a pretty cheap company at a PE of 2. So there is upside. There's still upside. I would say, yeah, a double or 2.5x is also possible, depending, of course, on the gold price. If gold price goes higher, there's even more upside. And this is the enterprise value, currently 33 million. Yeah, it can easily double, triple to the 100 million level. So I am holding. Current 6 years mine life. They can probably expand that to 10 years. So all great. They do need to demonstrate that production can rise. Okay, so this chart needs to go back up. So everything depends now on execution. Let's see if this ore body is going to improve going forward. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.